We will streamline the next version of Windows from 3 operating systems into one single converged operating system for screens of all sizes. We will unify our stores, commerce, and developer platforms to drive a more coherent user experience and a broader developer opportunity. We look forward to sharing more about our next major wave of Windows enhancements in the coming months. Our approach to first-party hardware.
I wanted to ask a question about, Satya, your comments about combining the next version of Windows into one for all devices. And just wondering if you look out, I mean, you've got kind of different SKU segmentations right now. You've got enterprise, you've got consumer less than 9 inches for free, the offering that you mentioned earlier that you recently announced. How do we think about when you come out with this one version for all devices? How do you see this changing kind of the go-to-market and also kind of the traditional SKU segmentation and pricing that we've seen in the past?
Yeah, my statement, Heather, was more to do with just even the engineering approach. The reality is that we actually did not have one Windows. We had multiple Windows operating systems inside of Microsoft. We had one for phone, one for tablets and PCs, one for Xbox, one for even embedded. So we had many of these efforts. So now we have one team with a layered architecture that enables us to, in fact, for developers, bring that collective opportunity with one store, one commerce system, one discoverability mechanism. It also allows us to scale the UI across all screen sizes. It allows us to create this notion of universal Windows apps and bring coherence there. So that's what more I was referencing. And our SKU strategy will remain by segment. We will have multiple SKUs for enterprises. We will have for OEM. We will have for end users. And so we will, be disclosing and talking about our SKUs as we get further along. But my statement was more to do with how we are bringing teams together to approach Windows as one ecosystem very differently than we ourselves have done in the past.